Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. I just got the shipment of Makselife in the mail today, and I did order it on the first day, opening day, first sale launch of the day. Geez, I forgot when it was. Was it last month? I don't know how long when I can't talk today, but anyways, I opened it when it was first being sold, and I am so excited, and I would love to know if you guys also ordered on that day, and what cover did you get, and what style did you get, what layout did you get. So yeah, I haven't even opened the box. So let's see. I love their packaging. So it comes with some cards, and this would be really cute to just even frame. Now, oh, I see. That's right. I forgot it came in like a box within a box. So let me just put this down. So I don't know if all the boxes are the same. I think they are. I would definitely keep this to either store stickers, or at the end of the year I can store my planner. But I did get the vertical lines. I don't know if that's what it's called, but it's the blue and white striped one. And yeah, that would be great to just have on hand later. But I really like this. I'm not gonna lie, last year I didn't care for the cover that much. It was the yellow flower ones that I have. But I didn't really care for it, but it was only one that was still available. So this year I really wanted this one. I really liked all the covers, but I for sure wanted this one because I knew like throughout the year I would still love it and, you know, wouldn't get tired of it, that kind of thing. So this is the one I got, and it has like a little darker gold coiling and gold accents. I do kind of wish it had something on the front, you know, so it wouldn't be so plain, but you can always add a sticker. Also, if they use the same system next year, you can always change the covers, and it doesn't matter that it says, you know, it wouldn't be like 2021 or anything like that. So it is kind of nice that way. So it has, I think, a lot of the same things as last year, which I like. There's a compass assessment, and I'm still not sure how I'm going to go about my goals next year. I don't know if I'm gonna use this mainly to figure out my goals, or if I'm gonna use the power sheets. I'm not quite sure yet. I'm still kind of like diddle-dalling around to see what I want to do, because I did order the power sheets for 2021. The one thing I really like about power sheets is it's so in-depth, and for me, I feel like I really think about what goals I want to achieve and all that. It just kind of helps me step by step. With this, it's a little bit more open, which could be good too. So intentions, setting goals, how to set goals. And I like this too. I don't think last year had this, but there's a little bit more like how to set your annual, monthly, and weekly goals, which I like. So maybe this will be fine. They also added this, which I know was on, I think, the Facebook page to help people out this past year, but they included it in this year, which I really like. And yes, okay, I see. So they changed, it says focus here, and the annual goals, a vision board, which is always fun to do at the beginning of the year. And then it goes into January. Also, I remember last year's, the number was in the middle, like kind of like middle top, but this year it's towards the right, which I love that. It kind of just looks more like the norm, you know what I mean? And I did get vertical. So weekly actions and vertical. I feel like this might be a little bit darker than last year's. I do like the colors. They're just simple. I also like that this is not like darker, because in last year's 2020 this was a different color. So I like that that's kind of just easier on the eye. So yes, I did get vertical. It doesn't have the hours, but I kind of enjoyed that because I could kind of play around with it and do whatever I wanted to. If I didn't want hourly, I could just go about the week without hours, or if I had a really busy day, I could add hours in if I wanted to. So I am very excited for this. The colors do change throughout the year, but I mean, they're just fun colors. They're nothing's too crazy that I don't think it would really bother me at all. And then the little quote pages on the monthly tabs. This monthly tab seems it's just a little bent. So yeah, I'm really, really excited for this. I think, yeah, there was a paper, and then there's a little pocket in the back, some stickers. So I really am so excited. This is all I got. I knew that there was those other goal planners, I think, for more on the go or more in addition to like a current planner you're using, but I really wanted to use this as my weekly planner, at least if I don't use it as my goal planner, you know, just specifically goals. I'm definitely going to use it for my weekly at least. But I'm not too sure like how I want to go about my goal planner specifically. I don't know if I want to do power sheets or if I want to do Moxie for goals, or I could just change it, you know, quarterly or halfway through the year. If I don't want to use the power sheets anymore, I can just use this specifically for goals. But I'm thinking that because she added all these different ways to help you set your goals, it might be a little bit more helpful and just a little bit easier, because last year I did find it kind of hard. Well, first of all, the year was just awful and crazy, but I did still find it hard to think about how I wanted to set the goals and like how did I want to go about my monthly and weekly actions. I didn't really know what to put or how specific to go, so I think this will be really helpful. So that is my little quick unboxing of my Makselife for 2021. Definitely let me know what layout you got for this coming year and also what cover you got. I was thinking about the rainbow one too. Yeah, they're just all really pretty. So if you guys are not subscribed, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!